Hey guys, it's Melanie. What is up? Hopefully you can tell by cover this video, maybe my outfit and the fact that I'm not wearing a crew neck or a hoodie, that I am trying to up my style just a little bit. Recently a goal of mine has been to dress a little nicer, even if I'm not going out, even if I'm just going to work. I want it to look a little more put together because you know what? Why not? I don't know. If it boosts your confidence, go for it. That was a little ramble. So, as you can see, today I'm showing you guys some of the outfits I wore this week. If you want to see any more fashion inspiration, make sure to check out like my Instagram and TikTok because I post a lot of outfit stuff there as well. Other than that, let's get into the outfits from this week. Hey guys, it's narrating Melanie coming back at you. Super excited for this week's outfits. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty proud that I actually got dressed every day this week and wore actual pants. I do also want to formally apologize if I look so mean and angry in any of these videos. Aside from the fact that I was waking up early, maybe I was grumpy, I have no clue. I just have an RBF. I don't know what to say about that. But this first outfit, I really was feeling myself with it. I really like it. City vibe. I have this really cool newsprint top that I thrifted, but it's from H&M. These wide leg jeans from Zara that have been my absolute favorite recently. For my accessories, my earrings are from Amazon, and then I have a stack of necklaces on. I have this cute little mini purse that I actually just got from Amazon. These white booties have been my recent obsession. They are from Windsor, I believe. I also use this leather jacket that I thrifted, but it's Liz Claiborne, one of my favorite thrift finds. Also tried out a new hairstyle with these low loopy little buns, which I thought turned out super cute, and that's it for the first outfit. Outfit number 2 is a bit of a switch up, whereas yesterday was very city. This one is a lot more giving me alt girl went camping for the weekend vibes. Starting at the top, yes, this top is itsy bitsy, barely looks like a top, but it is from White Fox. The flannel that I'm wearing over it kind of as a cardigan for a little bit of coverage is thrifted. For my accessories, super adorable smiley face earrings are from a subscriber. Her shop is called Can Gray. I am wearing the same layered necklaces that I basically always wear. These dark brown corduroy pants that I'm wearing, I always get a ton of questions on them, and I love them because they are huge and so comfy to wear. From Yes Style. My air quotes belt is from Converse. It's literally a shoelace. I don't really know why I felt the need to write that, but apparently I did. And then for my shoes, I just wore my basic black high top Converse, which I wear all the time. Super comfy, adorable. And then to finish it off, I have some stacked on rings that I wear, and I also clip my hair back a little bit just to add a little something to this look. On to outfit number 3. Compared to the last two outfits, this one is definitely way more colorful. A little spring girly vibe, if you know what I'm saying. Also very painter vibes. If you could tell, I am obsessed with throwing on button-up. To start off this outfit, I'm actually wearing a tank top, which is weird because it's still freezing here, but this one's Forever 21. This throwover from Yes Style. These pants, which I am in love with, I love baggy straight pants right now, were thrifted, but they're from Target. I'm literally going to go to Target looking for more of these because I also love the color and fit of them. To keep those up, I'm using this white belt that I thrifted. For my accessories, I'm stacking a bunch of necklaces again, and I'm wearing these really cute earrings, which I know they're not the same. The shirt is flowers, the earrings are cherries or something, but they look like they match, okay? For my shoes, once again, I'm wearing high top Converse. These ones are white though, kind of dirty because I wear them to work all the time, but you know, that doesn't matter. Alright, now on to outfit number 4 and back to the dreary dark colors. If this is not a sign that I need to go shopping, then I don't know what is. And I know I said I wore pants every day. These are yoga pants, but you know, it's still pants to me, okay? They're not sweatpants. So starting off, for my top, I am wearing this really cozy sweater that I thrifted not too long ago. It's the softest knit material. Underneath, I have this turtleneck. It's actually from my mom that she used to wear to go skiing. I was so happy I found this in our closet. And then for my necklace, I'm wearing this cute little shell necklace from Shop Olive Lynn, which I know like maybe puka shells are a little bit out, but I just thought it was cute, so I wore it. The pants, as I said, are yoga pants. They are Lululemon ones. I don't know where people buy leggings and yoga pants that aren't athletic. For my shoes, once again, I'm wearing high top Converse. These ones are platform though, which I really like because my legs need help. For the fifth and final outfit, this is definitely more of a mature outfit. I was going out to the city and I've been into these long jackets and I just felt like I need to look a little bit more put together, if you could tell. So the base of this outfit is super simple, which I love because you could just keep re-wearing it with different oversized jackets. I'm wearing the same Zara jeans. As I said, obsessed with them. Top is probably like my favorite top ever. It's from Target. It was literally $5, but it's such a nice fit. I have the same layered necklaces that I always wear. My boots are from like Zaful or Shein or something. I got them literally in like 8th grade, I don't know. And then this jacket I got from Nordstrom. It was on sale, such a good price, so comfy and warm, and it has nice pockets and it's oversized. I think I got it in like a medium or a large, so it's even bigger than it already is, and it's like oversized, but I love it. It's kind of like a woolly texture and it's just so warm and adorable. I'm also wearing the same gold hoops that I wore in the first outfit. I love slapping these onto anything, and I swear they make you look so much more put together. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video and tagging along. If you want to see more outfit idea videos, give me recommendations of what type of style you want to see below, or if you just want to see more outfits that I'm actually wearing, be sure to check out my Instagram because I put most of my outfits on my stories there and on my TikTok, so go say hi there. I would love to chat with you. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on baby, be with me so happily.